Emdikidstv.
Ha, ha, ha. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, grr, grr, grr. C is for chameleon, zip, zip, zip. D is for dolphin, click, click, click. E is for elephant, toot, toot, toot. Safari sounds, hear them roar. Animals singing, come explore. Clap your hands, stomp the floor. Safari sounds, come explore. Hey! F is for frog, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. G is for giraffe, munch, munch, munch. H is for hyena. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, roar, roar, roar. M is for monkey, E, E, E. N is for narwhal, swish, swish, swish. Safari sounds, hear them roar. Animals singing, come explore. Clap your hands, stomp the floor. Safari sounds, come explore, yeah! O is for owl, hoo, hoo, hoo. P is for panda, chomp, chomp, chomp. Q is for quail, wobble, wobble, wobble. R is for rhino, thump, thump, thump. S is for snake, slide, slide, slide. T is for tiger, growl, growl. U is for urchin, spike, spike, spike. V is for vulture, caw, caw, caw. W is for walrus, honk, honk, honk. X is for x-ray fish, blink, blink, blink. Y is for yak, ya, ya, ya. Z is for zebra, clip, clop, clip. Safari sounds, hear them roar. Animals singing, come explore. From A to Z, let's sing once more.